Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have admin or equivalent rights. This lets you restore system icons. Open File Explorer, then click View, or right-click the desktop for personalization because you need access to icon settings. Once done, enable hidden items and show file extensions to avoid surprises later. Now, go to Themes or Personalization quickly. These paths expose the toggle for Recycle Bin. This first step sets the environment. Without it, you can't add the system icon back properly, so don't skip it. You now restore the icon. Open Desktop Icon Settings from Themes, or go Settings, Personalization, Themes, Desktop Icon Settings. Either route works. Select Recycle Bin, click Apply, then OK so the system writes the change. This recreates the shortcut on desktop. If that option is unavailable, create a shortcut. Right-click Desktop, New Shortcut, enter the path %system root %\explorer. exe shell, recycle bin folder. Name it recycle bin, finish. This alternate method recreates access when the standard toggle won't respond. Finish by confirming the icon opens and displays deleted items. Double-click to verify functionality. If the icon is present but broken, run sfc/scano to repair system files and follow with dism restore health if needed. These commands fix underlying corruption. If problems persist, clear the icon cache or consider recreating the user profile, because a profile-level issue can hide system icons. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot after each repair step to ensure changes take effect before you try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.